Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on TCL 501. So you have to start by opening your settings application. Then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on Children and Family and then click on Parental Controls. Now click Get Started and here you can select Child or Teenager and then click Next. Now click on Add or Create Account for your child. And here you have to enter your child email. Then click Next. Now you have to enter your password. And then click I agree. Now you have to scroll down and click accept. And here you have to select your account. And now you have to enter your parent email address. Then click Next. And now you have to enter your password. And now you have to scroll all the way down, and here you have to enter your child password again. Now click Next, then click on More, and Next. Now click on Next, and here you can click Install Family Link, or you can click Skip, and then you can click Skip again, and now you can click on Review Controls. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.